Hey Logan, I've got your stuff pulled up here, and I was taking a look at what's going on in your area. And the bad news is I did not find a lot of weed maintenance type searches in your area. I do know the weed control guy goes up quite a bit, and I know you're or the weed man. I'm sorry, the True Green's using a play on words here, but anyways. The weed man does tend to reach out into that area quite a bit. I looked into keywords that they were using on their site to see if there was any hidden ones. The only one I found that was worth anything was this lawn fertilization in Georgetown, though. You know, it's not in your area per se. And I know that's really what you wanted to grow. Based on my research here, just basic stuff, I don't think it's worth trying to rank or even worry about any of your Google business page or any of this stuff to try to get weed maintenance type of jobs. Your best bet is going to be just word of mouth. And frankly, that's going to come from doing the lawn maintenance stuff. And I know that's what you want to get away from. So one of the big things in business is always remarketing towards your current customers. So make it known what you're trying to do to everybody. Tell everybody that you're trying to go away from lawns, but you're really interested in maintaining weeds and doing fertilizers and things of that nature, and that will help your business grow. It's going to take a while for you to transition. If you do need to get more mowing jobs, I did notice there were some lawn care type stuff out there. There's quite a bit of that. So I can help with that aspect of things, but really what you truly asked for and what you truly wanted, which was the fertilizer and weed maintenance type stuff, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to help you out, and I don't think your solution is going to be through digital marketing of any kind, and I mean ads or website SEO or any of that. So in-person marketing, I know it's probably not what you want to hear, is probably the best bet. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to talk. Can build you a website on this, but I don't think that's what you really need. Anyways, thanks for reaching out, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.